Why is this is how lazy we are today. We're drinking beer as usual. We got this drone and this drone, and we're being super lazy watching football. I don't want to do that because I'll get copyright struck. And we're only going like 2 feet away. We're trying to land on the landing zone. You want to go? Do it. Oh, fuck you. Yeah, it's kind of acting weird. I don't know why.
Okay, it's blinking now.
Okay, I'm going to go for it. Oh, no, 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 no. Holy shit balls. Hey, I landed good.
Yeah.
Have the U.S. Air Force doing this. Oh, that's actually not bad. That is not bad. Okay. We're going to do a double whammy. Double drones going to the helicopter landing spot. There's one. There's the other one. Oh, this is going to be awesome.
Oh, wait, why is it going
This
down?
is awesome because my drone sucks.
Oh, it's the other way. Is it stuck?
Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, almost into the window.